Mama wakwaba wofreme Addo searching mesrel na wa subscribe to my channel. Mia notification bell no so for more news.
Emra MPP Dr. Mudba Omia Ebaye 2008 yan winning 2012 ya G wali seat ebesi ne MPP afa. Enti wan ho de kofom. So the whole of the Western North, sorry, Western North. No, not Western North, Northeast. The whole of Northeast is nanka NDC na lead no. So say MPP na Addo Akuffo enya over 53%. Na say na Addo Akuffo abowra Northeast enya 53%. The son of the land, Dr. Mudba Omia office obenya saying. Oh yes. Na say na Addo Akuffo penso MPP parliamentary election dagbon 9 constituencies for MPP, 9 constituencies for NDC. Enti womunia penny eba be presidential of friend saying candidate no dynamics no say na besi akọ. Why you very careful? More seats in Dagbon are going to fall for the New Patriotic Party. Jatuho Amaono Nani why ding wa broswa no we den obitwa fa so we den obitwa fa so. This is a situation we share political party now. General Secretary Ashanti region. National Organizer Ashanti region. These are two powerful positions. Sani Prime Minister so omo very strong mobilizers. Ashanti region mabuno titru omo was such a huge following. JFK any excuse me Nana B. Then what is this? You have your presidential candidate this time round. What taking on a free geographical area na anka NDC ahoden so enewo. Now, so we should Northern Region voter. From 2008, I introduced Dr. Mudba Omia into frontline politics. What did to 2012? What did to 2016? How did to 2020? MPP a ho dia e wo sirimu so no apeja sa ebisi sabe no kase. Wale seat na ya NDC seat. Emra MPP Dr. Mudba Omia Ebaye 2008 yan winning 2012 ya G wale seat ebesi ne MPP afa. Enti wan ho de kofom. So the whole of the Western North, sorry, Western North. No, not Western North, Northeast. The whole of Northeast is nanka NDC na lead no. So say MPP na Addo Akuffo enya over 53%. Na say na Addo Akuffo abowra Northeast enya 53%. The son of the land, Dr. Mudba Omia office obenya saying. Oh yes. Na say na Addo Akuffo penso MPP parliamentary election dagbon 9 constituencies for MPP, 9 constituencies for NDC. Enti womunia penny eba be presidential of friend saying candidate no dynamics no say na besi akọ. Why you're very careful, more seats in Dakbon are going to fall for the New Patriotic Party. But yeah, homework year or hineba. 6 constituencies na ewo northeast ni nyina MPP befa. Se yamfa kra no na larigu Haji Alima elusu yare die yare baba back. Savannah yanya de kwan ye maintain ye 3. And this infa 4 ni infa 3. But ye we ni baby a population e sopa damango. The regional capital. And Sana Upper East, Upper West. Upper West, a friend is saying, Dumbo, influence. And look, NDC Nankasa, and the communication strategy. I break it down. It was slim. Every time, not the net almost a year very simple. And say, oh, say, I can't for no, and it was a big propaganda. Oh, say the camp party. Running mate ni vice president no the mamo. You know na mo dia. Share Jora John Dramani Mahama. Wase Baumia on chain na ekwan member da ho. They would never give it to him. So no only the party no. And what they to who say, Montu mami, media, me munua, na Professor Mills a free mono. No, and na or ye vice president no. Necessenka omoko Congress, no moko elections, no moko unipa. NDC echo meeting a passing resolution say ye mo be contest to John Mahama should take us to election 2012. Just say can ama free geographical area a year northern region. It doesn't matter which part of the country I would piano. Well, no, John Mahama na attractive votes. And this is the point where now New Patriotic Party have played the ball in their court. Say now we've chosen our presidential candidate from the north. Then one another block a Zongos. And it was estimated, say, for every 10 votes in the Zongos within the country, NDC FA8 MPP.
Wow.
FA2. Now they see the threats. They see the threats. Former DC Sukra within NDC Sukra, no, a Biba out plain to declare for Dr. Mudubabia in the Zango communities. Say, Kumasi Abontin so no mo sheda yi nipa sisia krom na ya twetwetwe and gramophone ma fi just to create disaffection. Said the beya obewu say oh sa MPP foi omompe and gramophone atem omompe zongo fo asem. Now that propaganda no so they know said now it's been very, very difficult for them. And it is a more play into your political strongholds there. We can't leave your theft without contest. Ashanti region entro MIA. In any case, they have election 2020 of friends and resource to also play with. In terms of additional votes, they had more additional votes in Ashanti region in 2020 than MPP.